Welcome to Mora FC. I will appreciate your time for being here. This is the easy way of cutting an elastic trouser, an elastic waistband trouser, or you can put a thread in it. You're gonna measure the thigh of that person. You divide it into two. Then you're gonna add 1 inch to it. The thigh of that person, you divide it into two. You're gonna add 1 inch on it, and from the waist side, from the top, that's the waist side, I measure 4 inch. That is 4 inch. That is the waist where you're gonna put your elastic or maybe a thread that you wanna. We're gonna divide that part into two. I'll come to that, so let me continue. So from that angle, I measure 10 inches. You can measure 9 inches. You can measure 10.5 inches. It depends on how your crotches is. So I measure 10 inches from that part. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Like I said, this is an easy way to cut a trouser with an elastic waistband, or maybe you cannot put a thread on it. It's up to you. So from that angle, from the thigh, I measure 11 inch. That is for a knee. I measure 11 inch. It depends, everybody have everybody have different size of a leg. So I measure 11 inch. Then I draw my line. If you have not subscribed, you don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend, It is what it is. So I just came back. Like I said, I'm going to divide that piece into two. Yep, that's the place I'm going to put my elastic in, or maybe a thread that you can put it in. That is up to you. It is what it is. So let's go back to the length. You're gonna measure the length, and you're gonna add your sewing allowance to it. So after that, you're gonna deal with the back. I wanna cut both the front and the back together. That is the easier way, and the fast way to cut both the front and the back together. So I have marked the length of the trouser. The rest is the folding part of it. That is sewing allowance, the folding part of it. We're done with the front one. I'm going to take the back. The back I folded into two. Like the front one, you fold into two. I fold the back into two. Then I make sure the back is larger, 2 inch. Have extra 2 inch more than the front, so you can see that's the back. It has 2 inch. So you can see the front is smaller, the back is big with 2 inch, but they have the same length. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It is what it is. Mora FC. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. This is an easy way to cut an elastic waistband trouser or a thread waistband trouser. So you can see I'm folding this part up. One thing about cutting an elastic waistband, you have to use your hips as your waist measurement. Use your hip measurement as your waist measurement. That's what you're gonna do. That's it. The thickness of it. You can't measure your actual waist for it, because when you use your actual waist, you can't wear it, because some people have a big hips, so you can't pull it up to understand. So this is the leg side, the knee side. So I'm folding that part up. It is what it is. So after folding this part up, it gives you the actual length of the trouser. That is 38. You can see I folded the waist back and about the down part. So you're gonna measure the hips of that person. You divide it into 4. The hip of that person, you divide it into 4. Then you're gonna use that one as a measurement. You're gonna add your sewing allowance, 1 or 1.5 or 2.5 or 2 that you want to add on it. It's up to you. But I always add 1.5 or maybe 1. That's what I use. Measurement, I use 1. You can see the measurement. I'm measuring from the front fabric. I'm not using the back measurement. I'm using the front. I start the measurement from the front side. I left the back alone, using the front one, if you understand what I mean. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. Give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. The Mora FC, it is what it is. So as just simple as that. We are almost done. We are almost done. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I drop every video. I drop video every Wednesday and Sunday. So click on the notification bell. So I'm drawing my curve. If you have a curve rule, that is easy for you, but you don't have, just have to make your own curve. Then tell me that you don't have some, so you can't make your own curve. So I just cut it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, to tell a friend to tell a friend. For IFC, it is what it is. So you can see we have done. This is the easier way of cutting trouser, the fast and easy way of cutting trouser. You cut both the front and the back together at the same time. Bang! Here we go, and we go. Hey, you can decide to cut it separately. You can cut the front. When you're done, then you come and cut the back as well. It's up to you. But to cut very fast, this is how I do it. So I cut it very fast. You know, these are techniques. We kill on the techniques. The front fabric is 4 into 2, the back is 4 into 2. It is what it is. So I'm making a notch. You know, after that, I'll just do what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend more. You see, this is an easy way of cutting an elastic waistband trouser or a thread waistband trouser. Easy way and the fastest way. So click on the notification bell, so anytime I drop a video, you'll be notified that I drop a video. Then you come and join. So I'm folding that part up. You know, I made a notch there, so I'm gonna fold it 2 inch inward. I'm folding the other 2 inch inward. That's the place that we're gonna put our elastic there. Or maybe you're gonna put your thread in there. It's up to you. This is the folding part. We are done. That is the trouser. I'm finished. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. But do me a favor and subscribe, like and share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. I will appreciate your time for being here. Keep supporting, keep liking, keep commenting. We are done. Do the same thing on the back. Thank you for supporting.